Iceland is home to thousands of waterfalls, and the reason goes back to the Ice Age. Massive glaciers cover much of the country, and when snow and ice melt, the water flows down steep mountains and volcanic cliffs, creating countless waterfalls. Iceland's unique landscape, shaped by glaciers and volcanic activity, provides the perfect conditions for these spectacular natural wonders. From powerful cascades to hidden falls tucked away in valleys, waterfalls have become one of Iceland's most iconic features.